Hey folks, late getting to today's CSS challenge. Let's do it. Let's do one. Okay, what have we got here? What is the pattern? What is the pattern that we would like to do for this guy? Kind of inclined to do this as two elements, one on top of the other, symmetrical. So the second one will be the inverse of the other, or is the answer to do scaling? I don't know. Let's. This is an odd one. Certainly an interesting one. All right. Let's try to do it as a single element to start. So that's going to be margins on the element itself, background of this color, and then we need some combination of we need to let's do the dark color as the color, and then let's cover the entirety of this element 30, 40, 41, 42, and then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so we need to fix those corners. So how do we do it? One way is through a linear gradient, or a radial gradient rather, or not radial, conic gradient, which is going to be this dark blue at, let's see, what are we doing? Actually, we want transparent, 75%, and I think it's going to be like at 40 pixels, comma, and then this color 0 in the upper corner. Maybe it's 200 pixels wide and it's 80% tall, and let's put the dark color in the distant background because I've created a background that will be invisible to us. All right, don't forget your commas. Let's set the diff. Conic, you gotta spell gradient correctly. There we go. This is what I was meaning to do. I know it looks goofy, but that's what I was looking to do. 30 by 30, okay. And then a little wider and a little taller. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then a little bit taller, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. There it is. So that's how we get that shape. That's fun. And then how do we get this shape? That's a peculiar shape. How about another conic gradient that's, how about another conic gradient? Boy, I don't like this one. Oh, actually, I do like this one. All right, so let's do it as border solid, this color, border width 0, 30 pixels. Oh, but then we don't get that. We don't get what we actually want there. So that stinks. So we can't do the borders. I was wrong. All right, so what do we need to do to get that size to image? Do we cut it out? Do we do another element? Let's do another element instead. Let's do another element. So we've got this like so, which gets us that, and then let's have another element, and this one is going to be in opposition. So P plus P. We're going to have a different background. Oh boy. P plus P. Background red. And margin minus 100. There it is. So what do we need for the margins? We need like minus 100 and then that 42 again, maybe 50, 42, 72 to get the correct width. All right, and then we need a different height. That height is going to be like 50. We need to make it go up higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. Okay. 6, 7, 8. There it is. Okay. So the second element creates this cutout. So this is also going to be a conic gradient, and I think it's similar. And the width of that is going to be a little bit different. Okay, so this guy is flopped like that. So it's a little bit narrower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Something like that. And then a little bit less tall even than that. 80, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, and I think that's working very well. All right, so that the at there is wrong. So is it 20 tall? Let's put a no repeat on this. Okay, so our at is incorrect for this. Too tall, maybe it's 10, 20, 30, 25. There it is. And then the height needs to be a little bit taller, 67, 68, 69. And then when we put the repeat back, do we get it? Let's see. There we go. It's at 30 pixels, just slightly different conic gradients. Not the prettiest cut. Oh, something went wrong. People were talking about the fact that we couldn't submit, and looks like I'm running into that problem. Resubmitting, trying. There it is. Got 100% match. Let's unit replace. Resubmit, and we're done. I think CSS Battle was having some technical difficulties here on this daily challenge, and that's a bummer. But we got it going. They're always very responsive when I send them emails around the daily challenge is not loading properly, and mostly their uptime is pretty great. But it is a complicated React app, so make of that what you will. But it's a great game. I enjoy it very much. All right, thanks for watching. Make something cool with CSS. Have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.